Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is AnyDesk and RemotePC, to help you decide which of these will be a better remote desktop option for you. So let's get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms. AnyDesk in 2025 remained the top pick for fast, lightweight remote desktop access. It's perfect for individuals, freelancers, and small teams who need a quick connection with a minimal setup. AnyDesk runs smoothly even on a slow network, supports all major platforms, and offers a user-friendly interface. It also has a free version for personal use and a competitive price for small businesses. On the other hand, Remote PC, on the other hand, offer a more features for business users like a file transfer, section recording, team management tools. It also cloud-based, so there are no need for complex setup for network configuration. While it is slightly less responsive than AnyDesk in low bandwidth connection, it shines in structured business environments that need more functional and remote access teams. In conclusion, it's better for speed. So in conclusion, if you choose AnyDesk, it's better for speed and simplicity, especially if you are an individual and a small business on a low budget. And on the other hand, choose remote PC if it's ideal if you want a more advanced features for managing teams or business operation remotely. And that's it.